Hey guys, I'm Adrian from adoriani.com. Today I'm going to speak about EQs and how to use them in your mixes. The equalizer is one of the best friends and worst enemies in your mixing session. You can achieve great results if using it correctly. In the same time, there are no set rules that you have to follow. It takes years to learn this powerful tool, and it should always be one of the first plugins you should reach for in case of need of fixing a problem in the mix. So let's see how can you use an EQ. Usually an EQ plugin has an input and output section. By the way, you should always check what the EQ is doing to the material you're working on and to check if it makes things better or worse for your mix. You also have usually a high and low pass filters. These let the frequencies to pass above or below a cutoff point. Next, you may have on your equalizer different bands. As you can see, each of these bands have the controls like the gain of the frequency, the frequency you want to affect, and the Q value, or how many frequencies you want to affect in this band frequency. You may have the shelf option on the high and low frequency bands. You can select what feels good for the audio track you're working on. These are different EQ curves giving you different sound. When using an EQ, the general rule is to try to cut frequencies out instead of boosting. If you want more highs, try cutting some low frequencies and listen to your mix. If you want to clean this mix a bit, a quick way is to search for nasty frequencies. Let's do that. So I'm putting the Q value to the minimum and the gain to the max. Then I start searching for bad frequencies. So Let's cut them a bit while listening to the mix. You can also affect the Q value more. Maybe you want to clean some of low frequencies. Let's listen. It is the same process. Maybe you want to add some brightness to the mix. Try the high mid or high frequencies band with a shelf. My advice is though to use this in moderation. Let's listen. There you are. You can use the equalizer in the same way on your bass, vocals, drums, and all the other individual tracks in the mix. Don't be afraid to experiment. If you feel that you really need lots of compression in order to make things sound good, before reaching for a compressor plugin, try some more EQing. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Stop by our Facebook page to say hi and visit us at adoriani.com. If you have more questions about this, feel free to leave them below in the comments and we'll be back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.